Wide grip pull-ups. This is a great bodyweight exercise to build upper body strength and wider back fast. Perform it in the beginning as a warm-up. Hanging from the pull-ups bar with the wide grip, pull your body upward until your chin is over the bar and then slowly bringing the body downward with control. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. T-bar row. You can do this exercise on the T-bar row machine or by holding the Olympic barbell with the close grip with both hands. First of all, hold the handle with both hands and pull the barbell toward the lower chest while squeezing the back muscle. Hold for 1 second, then with control form, lower the barbell to the starting position. To avoid lower back injury, you must use a supporting belt. Perform 3 sets of this and 8 to 12 repetitions. Lat pull down. This is a very easy and effective exercise to make the back V-taper shape and widen the lat muscle. Sit on the lat pull down machine and adjust the knee pad, keeping the back straight. Hold the bar with the wide grip and pull it toward the chest level, then squeeze the back muscle, slowly bringing the barbell back to the starting position and stretch the lat muscle. With correct form, follow 3 to 4 sets and 10 to 15 repetitions. Seated cable row. This exercise creates a good cutting in the back muscle. Sit on the cable row machine with your feet on the platform, keeping the back straight. Hold the V handle with both hands. While squeezing your shoulder blade, pull the handle toward your abdominal and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds. Then slowly lower the handle back to the starting position. With the same form and position, do 3 sets and 10 to 12 reps. Cable row face pull. Target muscle upper back and rear deltoid. Attach the rope to the cable machine and hold the end of the rope cable with both hands. Keeping your arms straight, pull the rope toward your face and squeeze the upper back and rear deltoid muscle together. Then slowly take the rope cable forward. Start this exercise with the light weight. Perform 3 sets and 10 to 15 reps. Barbell deadlift. This is a compound exercise targeting the lower back and hamstring as well as the many muscle of the upper and lower body. Stand with your feet hip width apart, barbell over midfoot. Bend at the hips and knees. Grab the barbell with hand shoulder width apart, keeping your back straight, chest up and lift the barbell by strengthening your hips and knees. Lower the bar back to the ground with control. Use a supporting belt to avoid lower back injury. Perform 4 sets and 6 to 12 repetitions with proper form.